Hi traders, it's Christopher here from Dynamic Trading Software, and this is my morning Forex session. So I just thought I'd bring up a chart and explain what's been happening today. So as most of you know, I trade Forex in the morning. I wait for the US markets to open, and then I trade US stocks. Now that's my personal preference, but as I have a global audience, all of my beginners club traders, they trade Forex whatever their time zone. So when the guys in the US wake up, they generally will trade Forex as well in their morning. A lot of people don't move to US stocks, and that's absolutely fine. It's something that I've built into my portfolio over the years because of my swing trading. But generally, Forex is a great place for you to start and make some profit. So here is the day trading software on my usual currency, gbpusd, but today's been pretty horrific. So you can see this vertical line where I started my trading day, and I was waiting for something to happen. Now it didn't, and the system was warning me straight away, look, we've got these grey bars, don't trade. It's a range bound market. We're bumping our heads on this previous resistance. I can see support here. So it wasn't a great market to be trading at all. It's very range bound. If we're actually going to draw in these lines for us, you can see it's bouncing around. The system puts it's put the support and resistance in for you. You can quite clearly see it's not a great market to be trading. So what do? I move over to my other favorite currency, and to be honest, glad I did because it's been great today. So where I started trading, straight away I had a red signal followed by a breakout signal. So this magenta dot here is actually a breakout signal. So started trading and trailed my stop down with each bar. So the system gives you the stops. And I was trading my stop down, and the market started going a bit crazy here. So actually what happened is, in the live view, this was still trending down nicely, but as it hit this price, the price shot up, and that's what created this huge bar. Now for me, that is a telltale sign there is some some support there. Okay, so what we do from this point is I looked back on my chart, and quite clearly here I found this. Now what the significance is here, I've got a cyan and a magenta dot, which means that further back, which I can't actually scroll, we had some major support and resistance there. So at that point I knew what was going on. I was confirmed and I got out of the trade. Now, not long later, 45 minutes later, this was confirmed by some grey bars telling me the market's now range bound. Now, what am I looking for now? Well, it's not long until the US market's open, so I will be switching charts shortly into the US markets. But if I was going to continue trading Forex, and I might well do for the next 40 minutes, what I would be looking at doing is chopping up my chart a little bit. So I'm going to get in some previous support and resistance. Usually I do colour these bars, these horizontal lines, just to make it a bit easier for me. But what I'm looking for is anything really significant around these prices, which I've now tagged into the onto my chart. So yeah, I've got a great channel here where I can make some profits. So what am I looking for? Well, I feel like I've taken the shorts now. It's hit this support line. I wouldn't want to trade it anymore after that. It's going to be indecisive, even if it breaks below. That's not something I generally want to trade. So what I'm actually looking for now is a blue dot, one of these big blue dots here, and I'm going to wait for a blue bar down the bottom as well on this heat map. And if that happens, then I'm going to start to take long trades. And I know that I've got a good window of profit here to take. So that is my battle plan. And that is how you can simply trade a few currency pairs on the day trading software. Even if you're trading another system, if you're trading a few indicators, if you've got your own setup, just be aware. Remember, look to the left. This is something I teach all the time. The only thing we have to go on is previous data, and we're trying to guess the future. So look back. People's psychology, traders are doing this. Millions of traders are looking at past data, and that's why price stalls around these points, and that's why people get panicky when they're trading, or they don't get out of the trades. Get out of the trades, take your profit. It's very important. Take your profit, get back into the trade. You can especially do that with Forex. It's so cheap to trade. You could get in and out of the markets. Do it and you'll start making profit. Thanks very much.